Hey guys, and welcome to my newest video. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can basically change the language and also the currency on your Binance account or your Binance app, whatever you're using right now. So I'm currently on the Binance.com on Chrome browser, and in the top right corner, right next to download app QR code and the notification button is this browser button right here. You're gonna just hover over that, and here, as you can see, you can change your currency and you can change your language. So if we set language to, I don't know, let's say uh, Ukraine, let's basically click on that. So we are going to get the Ukraine Binance app, and if we change the currency to, let's say, euros, it's gonna show us every currency from crypto that showed in dollars. Now it's going to show in euros. So if we change that back to English, of course, here it's gonna take our language to English, and automatically it's gonna take the currency to dollars. So that's it for today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.